Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the computer e-class. In today's lecture we will discuss about graphical user interface. As we all know, it is one of the most famous type of operating system interface. This lecture is divided into two parts. The first part is having the introduction of GUI, while in the second part we will discuss its different types. Let's have a look into the first part, that is having intro of GUI. Introduction. GUI is a graphical interface for computer users to interact with computer. In other words, we can say that it is a bridge between computer user and computer resources. How user access these resources? Through the interface, user access the resources of its system. When we talk about the GUI interface, there are the four basic components. The first one is window, the next one is icon, menu, and the last one is pointer. Let's have a look into window. Window is basically a rectangular portion of monitor in which all the data of your system is displayed on the screen. Let me show you window. Here you can see all the data of your system. It is being displayed on the screen. Another window is displayed. You can see all the data having a lecture folder. This is basically a window. Now move back to the slides. Icon. Icon is basically a graphical symbol that represents any file, folder, program, or any device. You can recognize easily anything on your system through icons. Let me show you different icons. You can see a list of different icons at the bottom of the screen. This is the PowerPoint icon. Here is a Loom app icon, Google Chrome, SPSS, Microsoft. Here is a list of different icons. We can find or search any file through these icons. Menus and pointers. The user had to select icons or make choices in menu using any pointing device. Normally we use mouse for this purpose. You can use joystick as a pointing device. This is basically a pointer. You can make any selection through this pointing device. What are the reasons behind the popularity of GUI interfaces? Let's have a look into the advantages of GUI. The first and the most important advantage of GUI is it is very easy to learn and use. You don't need to memorize commands like DOS. You need to remember and learn commands in order to operate the system. It also allows to run multiple programs at the same time. Most of GUI provides good help. Many application programs use similar interfaces, so it's very easy to use a new program GUI. A lot of advantages there are advantages also. The major disadvantage GUI operating systems are they take a lot of memory. You need a faster computer to run the operating when you talk about operating system Windows Linux. There more space and need faster computers. Now, first part of today's lecture has been ended. That was comprised of introduction of GUI operating system. Now move forward. That is the type of operating system. The famous types of GUI operating systems are Macintosh operating system that are used by the Apple products, Linux operating system. Majority of the servers use Linux operating system due to its reliable features. And the last one is Windows operating system. Let me show you. This is the phase of Windows system. You see different icons, menus. I already show you the Window Explorer. Now, first I that is Macintosh operating system. Mac OS or Mac operating system is a series of operating systems that are developed by Apple in cooperation for their Macintosh computers. It was introduced in 1984, the original Macintosh computer. First computer also having GUI interface. Now the later version of Mac is Mac OS X, which is also a Unix-based user-friendly operating system. There are also special Mac OS X used on different devices of Apple products, such as iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. You can see the interface of Mac OS X for desktop application. At the top of the screen, there are different menus. Here you can see Finder, File, Edit. There are different menus. Now come at the bottom. These are the different icons that are being used by the Mac OS X for desktop application. Now move forward. Linux operating system. As I told you earlier, Linux is one of the most popular operating system of GUI interfaces. So Linux is a free open source operating system that was introduced in 1991 and introduced by Linus Torvald. It is faster but difficult to use if we compare it with Macintosh operating system or with Windows. So this is the main reason behind being not popular operating system. One of the other main thing of Linux is freely available on the internet. What does open source mean? Open source means those software whose source code are freely available over the internet. Anyone can make changes in those code and provide us a better version. So Linux operating system is a open source operating system. Linus Torvald started the development of Linux, so we can say that the Linus was the person who laid the foundation of this operating system. With time, there are millions of other programmers around the world who worked on the Linux to improve it and produce its better versions. As I was saying, it's freely available on internet. What does it mean? Any programmer can view, edit, and publish its improved version. Li- Linux can be installed on your PCs, laptop, netbook, mobile phones, tablet. You can see each and every version of Linux for different devices. There are also some versions of Linux operating system that are being used on famous server or running on different supercomputers. The popular version of OS distribution of Linux are Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat, and there are different other famous versions of Linux like Kali. Interface of Linux operating system. You can see a list of menus, icons, and other things like other operating system which we have discussed earlier. The difference is it is a bit complex as compared to Macintosh and Windows operating system. Now going toward the last type of GUI operating system, that is Windows. Windows is one of the most popular operating system that are being used on the microcomputer. It was developed by Microsoft. Around 80 to 85% users on microcomputer use Windows. Many different versions of Windows operating system were developed in the past and are successfully used. Some of the versions of Windows operating system are Windows 95, 98, Millennium, XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10. The latest version is Windows 10. I'm going to show you Windows operating system. Here you can see the desktop of Windows operating system. You can see different icons, pointers. Here is the desktop of Windows operating system. Now today's lecture has been ended. I hope you have understand today's lecture. Thank you.